Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about CSS Float property. So let's create a new file cssfloat.html. Start with the HTML5 and a title CSS Float. Let's create a section. CSS Float is a property that forces an element to float. Right, left, none, inherit inside its parent body, with the rest of the element to wrap around it. The property can be used to place an image or an element inside its container, and other inline elements will wrap around it. For example, images in newspaper and articles are placed in certain position with rest of the content wrapped around it. Please keep in mind that this can only be applied to float the element horizontally, that is, right or left, not vertically. This is our HTML that we created. Let's apply some CSS. Let's assign a class to this section, content block. And this image link, content image. Let's write some CSS for content block and content image. Margin 20 pixel. And let's float to live. And here you can see that the image is here. And for content image, let's set its width to 300 pixels and height to 200 pixels. Let's write one more paragraph here. And for this content block H1, let's set a background color. And for the paragraph, Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.